It was a mentorship day. I realized as Mama County, Kisii County has a high rate of teen pregnancy, which comes along with HIV. We have cases of defilement. So through my knowledge, I managed to get some sponsors who came on board to mentor our girls and boys on the same. If you can agree with me, we majored more on girls, letting away aside our boys. So today we did it here in Nyamira Mixed Secondary School to empower both girls and boys, to tell them on the dangers of diseases, alcohol, and also how they can make good choices on their career choices. That was my major key today, and we have teachers from various institutions. The message for teachers to leaders is that we end the demonstrations so that our learners cannot be affected as when we had the COVID-19, which made them have their classes prolonged.
My name is Odinga G, Member of Parliament for Wamesoma. I want to congratulate the Kisii County MP, Honorable Doris Donya, for convening this unprecedented mentorship program for our children. And I equally want to thank the Senator for Nyamira and other leaders who also joined me in West Mugrango yesterday to do the same exercise. I'm proud of the 13th Parliament because we came to leadership with a purpose to change society. Kulea mtoto ni jukumu yetu sisi wote. Hatutaki kubagua kusema huu mtoto ni wa yule ama ni wa yule. We all as a society have a duty to bring up our children in a manner that they will fit in universally in the globe.
We did the same yesterday at Sironga Girls with the Honorable Steve Mugaka, and we want to continue in that spirit of mentorship, encouraging our students to work hard, be disciplined, and be resilient as they pursue their education. We are doing this because last year our students performed very well from the larger Kisii region, and we are doing this ahead of the education committee that is going around the country trying to investigate whether there was any cheating in our national exams. But we are sure that our students from this region passed on merit because of the partnership between the teachers, parents, and the leaders. That's why we're here to support Mheshimiwa Doris Donya. So nobody should spread the script that there was cheating on any examination from Kisii region. And as leaders, we are waiting for the people who are doing that investigation and tell them the truth. And we remind them that we, as leaders, will not allow our students to be profiled. That we will not accept.
Peter Steve Arika, Wamesoma body eveno, ndena magoko manene egwimenire Doris Donya achire n'abagambi bande bacholire asensemo ya Kisii and Nyamira ocha gosomia abana baito nakibatakire babe igo ino magoko manene bandire Senator Kongo Mugeni Mheshimiwa Steve Mugaka Mheshimiwa Gesairo Mheshimiwa Senator Esu Penyuri na Senator Kongo bonsi asowoja ase wodi eveno nakolanga naki abana bakosoma igo mwenye yo gokora rugega se skuru ya Nyamira lakini diskuru chiregaiga ichiregwetan diskuru 100 igo luego tebia bagambi baito tiga babwaterane naintu abananchi nakigera batochorerete osemia mwago igo yugwate kendekia olenta gaiga.